In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the kill switch in NordVPN 2025. This feature helps keep your browsing safe, even if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly. Start by launching the NordVPN app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings area by clicking the gear icon or selecting settings from the menu. Here, you'll find the control for the kill switch feature. In the kill switch section, you'll see two types of kill switches, the internet kill switch and the app kill switch. The internet kill switch is the more comprehensive option. It cuts all internet connections the moment your VPN disconnects, providing full-scale protection. The app kill switch is more selective. It only shuts down specific applications such as your web browser or torrent client if the VPN connection drops. This option is useful if you want to secure only certain activities on your device. To activate either, toggle the switch to the on position. For the internet kill switch, this will block all internet traffic during any connection drop, safeguarding your online presence completely. For the app kill switch, you'll need to select which applications should automatically close if the connection is lost, offering flexibility while protecting specific apps. The kill switch works by constantly monitoring your VPN connection. If the connection drops unexpectedly, it activates instantly, blocking your internet traffic to prevent exposure of your IP address or any sensitive data. Once your VPN connection is restored, the kill switch seamlessly re-enables your internet access without any additional steps. With the kill switch, you can continue your online activities with peace of mind, knowing you have an extra layer of security against unexpected disconnections. Thank you for watching and stay safe.